Now the next one is constant sets. Constant sets are the sets that once created do not change. If the underlying data changes, the membership of the constant sets do not change to reflect these differences. These are also known as manually created sets. So that is what we were talking about, right? If you create a set and if you add a new members, the set value will not change. That set will not reflect those changes. So that is called as a constant set or a manually created set. We can create sets by using click, and we have also seen how to create sets and all that. Okay, this part we have seen. Okay, and every only the condition part is left. Okay, now next one is computed sets and bins. Computed sets use logic to dynamically update the membership of the set. This is the key distinction between constant sets and computed ones. Changes to the data will change the set itself as it recomputes what gets classified as in the set and what gets classified as out of the set. Computed sets can use only a single dimension, whereas constant sets might have multiple dimensions in their membership. Okay. So basically, what it is trying to say is that let's say you can create a set which will have multiple dimensions. Let's say product category also, subcategory also. You can create a set with product category and subcategory. But computed sets will only work on one dimension field. Now, to create a computed set, right click on the set, create set option, and that brings up the criteria based create set window. This window gives you the ability to create criteria on how your set is computed. Okay. Now, see. So this is basically how we are going for general, how to do general one, custom value list, use all list. Okay. So now the final concept for this is Tableau bins are containers of equal size that store data values like a fitting in a bin size. Also, we will say that bins a group of data in bins a group of data into groups of equal intervals or size, making it scientific distribution of data. In Tableau, data forms from any discrete fields are often taken to form bins, although Tableau users mostly use measure fields to form numeric bins. Now, what is the meaning of bins? Is basically you are creating equal sized intervals, and in those intervals you will have a minimum value and a maximum value, and you will place all the values that fit into that range into that equal size intervals. Okay, that is the meaning of bins. uh, okay, and okay, this is telling you how to create a bin. This is my worksheet. To create bins in Tableau, select an attribute, right click on it, click on create, click on bins, modify the suggested values and click on OK. Now, if you go here, right click on profit, because since it's a numerical measure, creating an equal sized interval bin will be easy. So you go to the bins option, size of bins is given. So size of each bin will be 285. Okay. You can create a value here. Okay. Whatever it can be signed. I want, let's say, to be 200. Okay. So the minimum is mine. Say this is the range of values. The minimum value of profit is minus 6,600. Maximum is 8,400. Okay. The distinct, see, difference is 15,000. Okay. And the distinct count, CNTD means distinct count. What is the meaning of distinct count? That means the number of times that the profit value for each order, whatever is the profit value, the value can be repeated, right? From more than 10 order IDs have this distinct profit values. So I have 9,900 something orders, that means that many records, and in those many records 7,300 orders have distinct values in the terms of profit. I give a bin size, I do all this, and I click create on OK, and this is my bin. My bin has been created. So what I'll do is I can just drag it. So this is my bin value, and let's say I want to show profit for each bin. So yeah, minus 6,400 to minus 6,000. So see, this is the size of each bin. Okay, then that is how it's showing me. Then from minus 6,000 to minus 4,000, I have no profit values. And then after that, I have profit values. So this is the meaning of bins. Basically, to divide or split your data into equal sized intervals, you can use this bin values. See, If you see after 0 also minus 400, minus 800, minus 1200, minus 1600, minus 2000, minus 2400, and from 0 to again the same things. Okay, here the maximum, here 8000 is there, and from after 8000 the point of that is 8400. The profit value is 8400. Okay, so is it clear now? This bins part, how to create the bin is clear. Also in the profit bin you can take sum of, let's see if you can do sum of sales inside each profit bin. You can do sum of sales also inside each profit bin. You can do a lot of things. Okay.